Here we are with a Generation 3 Toyota Prius. I'd like to adjust the headlight height. I'd like it to come up a little bit higher. Currently, when you're driving down the street, headlights are a little bit too low. They don't go far enough away. The best way to figure this out is if you're about maybe 2 car lengths away from a car in front of you, it's nighttime, you don't want those lights to be up where they're going to be hitting them in their rear view mirror like a high beam. It should be down about their bumper height. So to do that, we just have to turn a little adjustment screw for height. We're looking down in here, see if we can find that screw. So we can see it's right here. I'm going to use a standard Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to put it into this little slot here. As I turn it, you can see that the wheel turns, and that's going to either have it go up or down. Okay, now we're going to go to the other side. Get the beam a little higher also. So you may want to remove this 10mm bolt right here and take this thing, this ducting, and move it out of the way. Now I can see that adjustment screw. I'm going to put my screwdriver in there, and I can turn that wheel by turning the screwdriver. I'm going to look at it here. I think I go clockwise now, so I'm going to my right or clockwise. It's bringing my beam up higher. Show you guys. So it's turning the wheel. So on this side, this is on the passenger side. By going clockwise with my turning, my beam is coming up higher. And it's kind of fractional. It just takes a lot of turns to get it to go up much, but just be patient. Keep spinning it. So we're a little higher than we were. That's good. Go back to this side. On this side I'm going to the right. See the level coming up. Back to this side. So those two beams look more level now. I think it was like this before, so that's good. Go up higher. I think that's going to be a better job. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this will help you guys. So again, on the passenger side, I was turning it clockwise to go up. That's on the driver's side. I was turning it clockwise to go up. On this side, I was turning it counterclockwise to go up. Right in that slot. This side, passenger side, I'm going clockwise, it's going up. And this side, driver's side, I'm going, it's the same, I think it's also clockwise. Yeah, clockwise is also going up. So both sides, clockwise to the right will go up, counterclockwise will go down. It takes a lot of turns though to affect the height. Looks a lot better. I'd like to announce our new channel membership. By joining, you're going to get some really good perks. Number one, you're going to get live help whenever you need it on your appliance problems, either by text, email, FaceTime, Zoom, whatever you want to get your appliance problem resolved. I'll be able to get you any kind of parts diagrams that you need. I'll get you really good deals on parts. I'll send links to you so you can order them and get them probably by the next day to fix your appliance. And all this is only for $4.99. So that'll save you quite a bit of money. And the whole goal of becoming a member with me is that it's going to give you a chance to save a lot of money on the types of appliance repairs that we all run into on a yearly basis. So thanks so much, and please click on the link in the description below, and that's going to allow you to join our channel today, start working on resolving your appliance problem. So thanks again.